Because of the fact that you can get the aperture so low, it actually means that your bokeh will actually increase. If you don't know what bokeh is, it basically means the background, how it's kind of blurry. The lower your aperture can get, the more blurry the background will be. So this is great for separating yourself from your subject even more, and being able to get down to 1.8 is just a great way of introducing really nice like circles for lights. If you had like LEDs or fairy lights like dangling in the background, you know, here's an instance for why I did this with a photo of mine. You know, it looks good having those little lights in the back being circles. Here's another one of my dog. You can see how it makes the trees look all blurry. It's just a nice element, and it's something that you can do very, very well in photo. And you can also see it's working here with my 35 2.0. It would look even better on the 50mm. So I'll show you what that looks like now. Now look how much the lens has cropped in on my face and blurred out the background. I think it looks so much better this way. So as you can see, there's you know, it's going to improve your video and your photo dramatically just by using the 50mm 1.8. Let's move on to the next reason why I think you should be buying this today.